Okay, let me see. It's time to get the microphone out and everything. Hey guys, how you doing?
He's the man in the bandana, the man with the charm. He's a dude with the glasses and a lady on his arm.
Apparently, you gotta excuse the noise in the background. I've been, I'm printing something on my Voxelab Aquila that I have. I don't know if you know that, but I have a Voxelab Aquila. Now, apparently, some people have a problem with the review that I gave of the original Voxelab that I had, the original Aquila I had. There were problems with that printer. First of all, it was missing parts. All right? It was missing parts that I had to go out and replace. And I didn't know anything about printers. So this is supposed to be the easiest printer. It was faulty. I got a bad printer when I got it. So I gave an honest review. That's one thing that people will tell you about my channel. I'm going to give you an honest review. And I don't hold my tongue. But since that review, I have done nothing but praise this goddamn workhorse behind me, which is another Voxelab Aquila. Alright, that was sent to me for even cheaper than what I bought the first one for. I paid $30 less for this one and it worked. I have been learning everything I've learned about 3D printing on this machine, in which I have already praised. I've made money with this machine. So that being said, can y'all get off my case about the original the original review? Because that's how I felt, and that was an honest review of that machine that I had received at that time. This is my workhorse, and if I continue to make money with it, I'm going to get another one. I've had a couple of channels, especially 3D Printing SOS, help me with this particular machine. And I have, I sometimes have issues with bed leveling still. But that's a normal thing. I've seen so many other people go through the same problems I go through. And you just got to work your way through it. But seriously, get off my fucking ass about the first review. It stays up. It was honest. I got mailed a piece of shit. This is a workhorse. This was sent to me in proper shape. The other one was not. It was legitimately $199 paper fucking weight. All right? Get over it. You're going to get honesty from me. And if you don't like honesty, go elsewhere.